Hey listeners, this is Mindful Talks podcast. Welcome to the 7th episode of hashtag Game Dev Club. So choosing the finest game engine is not a simple task. The rising competition of the main game engines such as Unity and Unreal Engine 4 makes the ultimate selection even more difficult. So despite this, the Unity is often regarded as superior choice for the basic puzzle games, 3D platformer video games, and the first-person shooters, whereas Unreal Engine 4 is suggested for big AAA video games. So without any further ado, let's go deep and let's compare few points one by one so that you can get to know about the Unity as well as the Unreal Engine. So starting with code and license. Unity employs the C# programming language and the game makers must purchase a suitable code. Unreal's programming language C++ and the engine's general design are deemed more difficult to learn and operate. Therefore, finding dependable Unreal Engine 4 developers maybe find that particular thing tough. Now, speaking of graphics, Unity includes a huge library of visual effects and supports the creation of animation graphs without the use of external plugins. However, Unreal Engine 4 is undisputed king of gaming visuals. Unreal Engine 4's winning features include particle simulation technologies, deferred shading, and like illuminated translucency, powerful dynamic lighting, and rapid rendering of all objects. So in comparison, one of Unity's biggest faults is its long rendering time, and here the clear winner you can say is Unreal Engine. The third but the most important thing is platform support. So both Unity and Unreal Engine 4 offers strong cross-platform interaction, and while you can deploy a Unity coded game across all major web, mobile, VR and TV platforms, desktop console Unreal Engine 4 will have a few limits. So it will not be supported on the PlayStation Vita, Windows Phone 8, Tizen, Android TV, Samsung Smart TV or web player. So many flaws and many pros, but you need to decide what are your requirements so that you can choose one among them or even a complete different thing from them. So it's all up to you. Now the question comes, how to know which game engine is for you. So when choosing a game engine, it is critical not to fall prey to popularity or status concerns, but rather to weigh the capabilities and price tag, which will both affect the project's bottom line, and thus to choose which game engine will be best suit for you. So there are many things that you need to consider, like what type of game do you want to make, which platform will it be deployed on, what is the size of your budget, when do we plan to release the game, and what is your plan for the game monetization, is next generation graphics really important for your project's success, and so on. So on each question, Unity and Unreal Engine 4 will score differently. So when you weigh all of the advantages and disadvantages, you will be able to identify a clear winner for your project. So whatever game engine you use, make sure to fully utilize its features. And just want to add with the conclusion that Mind Inventory have extensive experts in the production of mobile and web games, and constantly they are producing amazing games. So in case you need the professional hands, then definitely visit www.mindinventory.com. So that's it for today. Let's meet in the next episode. Till then, keep on playing good games and keep on learning. Thank you.